To start trading perpetuals, an account is required, and once set up, the Perpetuals tab can be accessed to select the desired trade. Various well-known coins, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano, can be traded. However, the wallet often only contains Solana. So to begin trading, USDC must be added to the account. This can be done by converting Solana to USDC through the Convert tab, which can be found by clicking Add More Funds or Deposit, and then Convert. The conversion process involves selecting the amount of Solana to convert, confirming the transaction within 15 seconds, and waiting for the conversion to complete. Once USDC is available, trading can commence, with options to buy or sell, set take profit and stop loss, use limit orders, and adjust leverage. The platform also features an order book, trades, and a graph, which can be customized with different indicators. Overall, the process of trading perpetuals is similar to that of other exchanges, with features such as shorting and using leverage, and the ability to trade with a range of coins.